I'm going to go through a few of the problems on the flat tire puzzle. There are a few things that are going to come in handy in this puzzle. First one is that two angles that are next to each other on a straight line are going to add up to 180 degrees. The second one is that three angles inside of a triangle will also add up to 180 degrees. The third thing is those alternate interior angles. Those are going to be the same size. That's why angle 2 is also 32 degrees. I'm going to find angle 4. I have this one and I don't have that one yet, so maybe that would be helpful. Angle 3 and this angle add up to 180. So that makes angle 3 66 degrees. Now I have 2 out of 3 of these angles. These three are going to add up to 180, so subtract these two angles from 180 to find angle 4. Let's go down to this one. Again, you have alternate interior angles. Those are going to be congruent or equal, same size. You have vertical angles. Those are also going to be congruent. And that's about it. And you also have triangles that add up to 180. You have straight angles that add up to 180. So sometimes you just start with what you know and go from there. Let's see if we can find angle 5. We know that angle 5 and angle 1 add up to 180. This angle, which is vertical to that, and this angle, which is on opposite sides of this transversal, sometimes it's helpful to cover up the lines that you don't need. These two are going to be equal, so that makes angle 1 35 degrees. Subtract that from 180, and you now have angle 5, 145. Down at the bottom, it gets a little bit trickier because they don't give you numbers, they give you expressions. Let's see. These two lines are parallel, which means this angle and this angle, since they're at the same corner of that intersection, they're going to be equal, 137. So 5x plus 2 equals 137. Subtract 2, 135, divide by 5, and you get 27. So that makes x equal to 27. These two are also going to be congruent. These two are congruent, and these two are congruent. They are all corresponding angles.